Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? We've got a few notifications to reread, to replay, that's the word. Oh, we can see the vacuum in the corner. My partner fucking loves that thing. Tina loves vacuuming. Oh my god. Alright, so Shaz is resubbed at 36 months, 3 whole ass years. Good to see you again, Shaz. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. We've also got Grab's iPad, who has resubbed at 32 months of bliss with any. We've also got Polymathic Man, who has resubbed at 34 months, who says, "Let's go! Let's go, baby!" Thank you all for your continued support. It's good to see you all again. I hope you're having a wonderful week. I have the lights off here because it's really hot, so yeah, lights are off because it's hot. It's also really hot, so I'm gonna drink a beer. Mindtooth has also resubbed at 7 months. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. And Drug Time Lord. Wait, I feel like you resubbed last stream. Have I just not streamed in a while? Drunk Time Lord. Oh my god, and we have a raid. Ah! Ah! Cheers, chat. Hi. Welcome, welcome. Drunk Time Lord has resubbed at 27 months. Trash Dev has raided. That's not work. Wait, is my thing wrong? Check out Trash Dev. And Polymathic Man has gifted 1,000 bits. I appreciate it. Polymathic Man, it's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Welcome, Raiders. Yeah, I just started streams, so I'll give you the little rundown of the plan for today, as well as my little intro. My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. What am I drinking? Oh, yes, of course. It's a little out of season, but I am drinking Bell's Christmas Ale. It is a Scotch ale. Mostly because that's the oldest beer in my fridge, and it's still fine, still fizzy, still tastes alright, so I'm gonna prioritize drinking it. But it's also really good. Rollers has resubbed at 35 months. It's good to see you again. It is indeed not a normal stream day, but I was in the Great White North. Well, not the Great White North. The medium north, not very white of Michigan. So I skipped the last 2 streams. Radsvlvlb and D. Mulroy, thank you for both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. But yeah, the plan for today's stream is to do Python 3.13, which has just started development, so it is an alpha. And we're also going to be working on setup-cfg format. A little tiny change. It should be real quick with that one, so we're going to do that one first. And then we're going to try and get 3.13 working. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we will jump into things. Let's see. Oh, it looks like Lowkey was first today. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Drunk Time Lord's also here, as is Meat Sauce. 312 is interesting too. Pep 695 just made it in. Is that the... I don't remember which one that is. Which one is that one? Adam Wolf is here. That name is familiar. Oh, it's been ages. Well, welcome back, Adam Wolf. Good to see you again. Polymathic Man's also here, as is Grandpa's iPad, as is Shaz Robot. Thank you all for the resubs there. Griffinborg says, "Hey streamer, Flagate isn't working because I'm a blithering idiot who doesn't read anything. Help." Too true. Too true. Scotty does know. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Don't tell Scotty, because Scotty does know. Yeah. Mindtooth, hello, hello. Good to see you again. And Trash with the Rain, how's it going? Barry X BTW says, 1-2, buckle my shoe. Okay. Captain Wolfred. Oh no, you've got a new name. Are you gonna update your name in the chat bot? But how you doing, Wolfred? Good to see you, and I hope you're doing well. Pascal says, Raid, welcome, welcome. Alex, how you doing? Trash says, that's not work. Well, we'll be doing some work, I promise. Time for work, yes. Yes, indeed. D. Mulroy says, Flagate Maintainer, who's doing God's work, an unsung hero. God, some days I wish it wasn't me. New generic and type syntax. Oh, fuck. Oh, great, right. The new syntax. Rollers. Yes, unplanned stream. And yes, Ubuntu, good to see you again. Smoils says, I see some Balmer Peak working out. Well, yeah. That was all I did in college was drink and write code, but Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Duga, how you doing? Hello, hello. Drink says, Flygate's F91 recommends replacing raise not implemented to raise not implemented error, even though the Z's intention could have been to return not implemented. What do you think? Is this intentional? Does it actually? I feel like. I mean, if you wrote raise, you probably meant raise, right? Not implemented. Raise not implemented should be raise not implemented error. I mean, it's not Flagate, it's PyFlags doing this, but I mean, it could be return not implemented, but I feel like the raise is intentional. I don't know. It is what it is. Merry Christmas, sir. Yeah. Search terms n/a. Lonely says, almost had a Google software engineering internship for 2024, but they turned me down because I haven't taken a DSA class yet. Oh, well, you can always reapply next year. Captain Wolfred says Python 3.13 for fuck's sake. Yeah, assuming they don't skip it, right? Wolfred says, you look beautiful, by the way. Love the haircut. I got my haircut yesterday. So, I don't know. I'm not used to it yet, but it's nice. I basically told them to keep more of the length on top because I kind of like the length, and then cut more off the sides. So it's not a haircut that I've ever had before, but I'm liking it. It's working. It's working. Thank you for the hype train chat. Appreciate that. Indeed, Duka, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Chonky Seal, hello, hello. You stream too late. I'm always asleep. Yeah, well, Saturdays in theory should be better timing in theory. Drunk Time Mode says, how about changing the message to say return not implemented inside of methods like eq and add? Yeah, that would make sense. The tough part is getting the context for that. Because you have to traverse the whole stack. I mean, you could make a PR to PyFlex. Probably would work. The tricky part is custom error messages for the same code is messy there. Wilfred says, when are you gonna let the beard grow? I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't think I'm gonna beard. Cause when I here, let me see if I can find a picture of me with a beard. It does not work well. This right here never grows in. I have no hair right here. So I just end up with like whoosh, and then neck beard and then mustache, just completely separate. Let's see if I can find one from high school. Not from high school, from college. Is there one of me in this one? No. In this album? I'm on Facebook, that's what I'm doing. They keep moving things around, which is really annoying. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for what you were about to witness, chat. Jorman Gunder, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. This was me not shaving for a week. And this is my shitty beard. So this is why I do not grow facial hair. But yeah. The outfit was there's like a national tweed day or something. And so that's what this was. This is not an outfit that I actually wore. This was an outfit that was specifically for a day. So yeah. Anyway, math teacher says meat sauce. If I had a math teacher, if my how do I put this nicely? I would call the police if the math teacher looked like this. Compiler TV says, how many gifted subs for you to grow facial hair again and wear that exact jacket? I think my girlfriend would leave me. I think Tina would leave me. I don't really want to chance that one. Ice Laser says, that's some person I don't know. Who is this? Ben Askren. A UFC fighter. Wow, their birth date is actually very close to the one that I used to use to fake signups. I feel like I don't really look like this guy. Maybe like slightly, but they're also built as fuck, and I am not. Savage Banana Soup, hello, hello, how you doing? Yeah, definitely believe you. It was tweet day. Okay, all right. I have an entire photo album here. I can bag this up. Here we go. There we go. I can back this up because here's another photo from that event. Where we all dressed up in tweed and went on a bike ride. So there's me amongst the group of tweedening. Live for Codes, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. It looks like the guy you ate who ate you for their pre-workout, yeah. You look like Jim from The Office? That doesn't answer the question. Balwada, how you doing? Hello. Welcome. The other photos are insert name of outfit day. Okay, I'll give you one more. That is similarly wild and wacky and has an excuse. I don't have a follow-up photo for this other than my other friends in this photo look similarly how do I? Oh my god. Other than my friends look similarly strange in this. This was a WTF party. I think I was a little bit more WTF than anyone else, but I don't know. I think wearing jeans with scrubs over top, a tie, and a different scrubs top that I stole from someone. Anyway. Today's chat template is you look like random white guy generator. Yeah. But anyway. This was certainly a night. The funny thing about this man's in the photo, I hadn't talked to him in like a decade, and one day I was in bed scrolling Stack Overflow probably on my laptop, probably not on my phone, and I answered I usually answer like MyPy or Flake8 or other related Stack Overflow questions, and I answered one, and like, I shit you not, like 60 seconds later my phone starts buzzing, and I'm like, why? This was back when I used to wake up at like 6 a.m. so that I could bike to the train station. I was like, why is my phone buzzing at like 6 a.m? Like, this makes no sense. And it turns out my buddy Dietz was the person who asked the question on Stack Overflow. And he's like, is this you? And my Stack Overflow username is my full name, so obviously it was me. But anyway, there you go. There's some weird ass photos and me probably not doing facial hair. But yeah. Anyway, okay, so the first thing we're gonna do today is very, very quick and easy while that chugs away. Do we have it cloned? Nope. Setup-cfg-fmt. Drunk Time Mode says, honestly, there have been at least 20 times when I've opened a Stack Overflow link about Git or Python and scrolled down to a relevant answer, and it's been you. Yeah, I usually seem to find a lot of weird shit with Git and other stuff, but my manager knows about you for that reason. Nice. Alfenrod, hello. How you doing? Okay, so the goal of today is Setup Tools has finally put a deprecation date on this, and it is approaching and people are getting grumbly, so we're just gonna finally fucking change this to licensed files. Should be pretty easy, but we gotta write some tests for it and then make it happen. Big Ahead, thank you for the follow. Welcome. I hope you're doing well. And the new thing has been around for a couple years now, so I don't really feel bad about breaking people, even though surely someone is gonna complain. And you know what? I've waited long enough. They can go fuck themselves now. All right. This is gonna break a bunch of other tests as well. Why are there so few tests here? Oh, I had just pressed the wrong button. License files. This license does not set when license matches. Copyright 2019 me. Okay. Did all of these get changed? Why are both of these set? Oh. Well, we can just say this is our minimal test, and then we'll do stuff from here. Cool. Fixer Jank, hello, how you doing? Savage Banana Soup says, but Python 2.7. Man, we have some shit at work that still supports 2.7. I don't know why. I wish it didn't, because I would like to kill it. Yeah. I would like to kill Python 2 because it is a pain in my ass to try and support other stuff. But one day, maybe. Pawada says, just a quick life work related question. Have you ever fried a laptop provided by the company? Of course, accidentally left a big job running, then overheated. I have not had a company laptop die. Now that I think about it. I have also never stayed at a company long enough to get an upgrade. I totally should have gotten an upgrade at Yelp. Oh, no, I intentionally did not want an upgrade at Yelp. Because the Linux kernel support on MacBooks had not caught up to the ones that they were giving out. And so I intentionally kept an old MacBook so I could run Linux on it. But yeah, I've never gotten a laptop upgrade. So I don't know. Asking for a friend? Yeah. Fredborg says, over the weekend I found a project I'm responsible for had if Pi 3 and I just closed my laptop. Oh no. Oh no. I found that in some work code today and I asked the person who owned it, I was like, hey, do we intentionally have Python 2 support? And they're like, hell no. We don't give a fuck about Python 2. And so I've been cleaning that up as well. Fix Jake says, very sleepy today. Had a busy first week of on-call. Oh. Oh no. Well, good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Drink Tomite says, I've been working on an import graph implementation for Python projects. Resolves package relative absolute imports. It parses setup/band for third-party stuff. Ooh, that sounds like a mess. Bellwada says, tell me yes and nothing happens. Tomorrow I'm bringing it up to help desk. Yeah, they'll just give you a new one. It shouldn't be a big deal. Deedelsp, how you doing? Says, I had a company laptop battery expand beyond control. Oh no. Happy Dog Dirt Day. What does that mean? Fixjake says, I dual booted macOS and Ubuntu in college. And it was actually kind of great. Yeah, that's what I did at Lyft, and it was pretty nice. But, yeah, worked well for me. Okay, anyway, we should have a failing test now. And then we will work through the implementation. It's Turd Day. I don't. Oh, like Thursday? Oh, okay. Is that what it means? I am not sure what you mean. License file. I think I can get rid of this too. Known license files. Okay, this is trickier than that. Fuck, how does this work? I'm pretty sure I have a helper for this. This parentheses is a little funny. I guess that makes sense. Hmm. Does this get sorted? It does not. Hmm. Glob.iglob. Hmm. Huh. Sounds like a mess, but a well-maintained input graph can help make better linters. Yeah, makes sense. Meatsauce says, of course your projects share some common patterns, but how do you remember how a change affects your code base? Almost all of my projects are set up exactly the same, so I only have a few special cases. And once that happens, they're good. Polymathic Man says, if my 4-year-old AK the intern waves hi. Hi! Hello! She thought I was on Zoom until I explained. Nice. I mean, it's kind of Zoom. It's Zoom with some delay and no two-way video, but Bahar, hello. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Okay, so I think we're gonna do 2 parts to this. We're gonna add it to license files and then sort license files because I think it should be sorted. License files dot append license base name files if license files in config metadata I'm gonna write this code and then comment it out and write a failing test first. Config metadata sorted license files not strip split lines. All right, let's see what this breaks first. Break a lot in theory. The alternative name of poop emoji is dog dirt. Funny. That's pretty good. Parasocial Zune. Yeah, there you go. It's all YouTube, TikTok, and Zoom. No working jobs or paying taxes. I should have run the linter. I have to install the linter first. Okay, there we go. I've gotten out of the habit of running the linters because the ones at work take so fucking long that it's just like, it's just pain. Test sets license file if license exists. Yeah. This is what it should do, but I suspect that it won't. Find out. Oh boy. Yes, indeed. Forgot my quotes. I wish the highlighter would help me a little bit more with that. Oh, that's very strange. I swear I have a helper for this, right? See, because like the dependencies one should have the same problem. Yeah, why does this not have the same problem? Why does it not start with a new line? Does it just do that and... Oh. Oh, tricky. Very tricky. Very tricky. Okay. Annoying that I don't have a good helper for that. What am I gonna do? EagleBT, thank you for the resub at 26 months. Good to see you again. Yeah, 26 is wild, right? I mean, admittedly, my stream schedule has been all over the place recently because I've been busy. I've been busy. But it's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. 26 months is pretty wild. Quite wild. What am I gonna do for this? If len item is equal to 1, return item 0, otherwise return new line dot join. Yeah. I suspect I should use that otherwise. Where does this get used? Install requires? Yeah, that seems the right thing to do. Wait, doesn't classifiers have the same problem? Yes. Grim-py classifiers. Weird. I would expect classifiers to have the same problem. What's wrong with license file? I don't know. Fucking Jericho. That's what's wrong with license file. Nothing's wrong with it. But Jericho likes to change things for who fucking knows why. Okay, cool. So we have this other failure here. And Jericho be Jerichoing? Yeah, pretty much. The Rain Man. Hello. Hi. Welcome. Parentheses. I legit thought you said Jerko. Nah. What the fuck is different here? Is there a white space character there? Oh, my test is bad. I mean, Jerko's not that far off, if we're being honest. Alright, why doesn't the classifiers have the same problem? I feel like it should, but I feel like it's also maybe this? Somehow? Or maybe... like, if I do this, is it just gonna be like, yeah, that's okay? AZLight, hello, how you doing? Python, welcome to the stream. \n\r, hello. Hello, welcome. Your \r isn't doing anything there, but cool. Dino says, I'm sure you didn't see the news, but Iowa finally has a new athletics director. I did not. It's going well, EasyLight. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, it doesn't fix this. Okay, so that's another bug. We'll fix that as well. We'll fix that as well. It's easy. It's right here, but we'll write a test for it since that's not covered. Okay. Oh, interesting. Interesting. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. Maybe we'll make an option. B. Jonas, hello, how you doing? I'll have to solve a stupid refactoring problem tomorrow or on Monday. I'm dreading it already. I love refactoring. That's my favorite part of my job. That's my favorite part. Solder TV says, hi Anthony, you basically keep your test requirements into testing. Testing is where I put my friend referred to it as yellow code. I don't know why that color. I hope it's not racially charged now that I think about it. But any code that doesn't belong in the distribution and is helpers for the test gets shoved into testing. Is at least what they did, and I like that pattern, so I've continued. Belwada, thank you for the resub with Prime at 11 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Sodra says, hi Anthony. Oh no, I already read that one. Wait, where's the one I'm reading? Where's the one about keyboard camera? Easy Light says, you don't have a new keyboard camera. I don't, but here, I'll show you. It'll look the same after I do this. The Rain Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Yes, I do maintain talks, by the way. Sort of. Gabernat rewrote it recently, and I haven't spent much time with the new version yet, but I did do a lot for the previous version. But yeah, let me turn on the lights and then I'll show you. I'm not going to keep them on because it's hot in here, but I will show you briefly. See, look, same old keyboard cam. Same old. But yeah, the lights are off. So it looks different with the lights off. But they don't work on their own. The tests need them in order to test. Yeah, basically. Or it's like code that you wouldn't give anyone else. No one else needs that code. So you can keep it out essentially. Wait, what the fuck happened here? Oh. Right. We need to do more work because clearly this is not right and the tests are passing and this is wrong. So, damn it. Okay, how are we gonna do this? Lister to stir. Return fmt list. Well, let's unfuck this first. We need another test for that. Maybe we should do that separately. Yeah, I'm trying to do too many things at once. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Okay. This should be passing, but for the wrong reason. Romantic stream with the dim lights on. Yeah, it's true. Why not just put all my code in the test folder? No one should look at any of my code. Exactly. Ignored from manifest? Yeah. Well, you shouldn't have to do anything to make it not get included in manifest, in theory. I also don't have manifest files in basically any of my projects. You shouldn't need them anymore. Unless you're doing weird stuff with like header files and stuff. Yeah. I mean, sometimes maybe. Yeah, okay, so we still have this problem. License files. Guess here. This combines license file and license files. How does this work? We probably don't need any of this garbage. License file equals license. License files equals license. They should get combined. And just leave this out. Probably doesn't pass right now. I started shipping packages with the Java layout. Are you trolling? You gotta be trolling. There's no way. Why would you do that? But why? Okay, good. There better be a cap there. Because that would be some truly psychic shit? Psychotic shit. Text. Don't forget a nice Gradle build. Yeah, could you imagine a Gradle build in a Python project? That would be pretty wild. Maybe I should do this up here. Yeah, the problem is this is not always true. I guess we could just say if license files. If license file in config metadata I don't know if .pop works, or I hope it does. Lifus Liuta, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. A stupid Among Us gift generator has turned 8.7 gigs of gifts. God damn. That's kind of amazing. But for why? I didn't want that. Does pop not do what I expect it to? Did I spell it wrong? This doesn't look like a word anymore. Oh, I'm dumb. My editor's is fucking me. It was probably working. Does this fit on online now? Damn. Don't need to do here. Hmm. Uh. Wait, why would it get a blank line here? It should have strip split lines. Yeah. What the fuck is going on? Let's build a Telegram bot that can convert stickers into PNG. The idea that was uploading it to Cloudinary server. I left it as for a few months and realized the bot now has thousands of users and the account has generated 300k images. Holy shit. But what is this? Fuck that. I've been patching up the holes on one of my Java data warehouse projects and it's literally a nightmare. I don't understand how Gradle got so widespread. Yeah. Do you debug on autopilot? Kind of like you mostly drive a car without thinking about it? Kinda. I don't know why this is wrong though. I mean, we'll see. What's the other test? Is that how they sort? Oh, did I forget to sort? I probably forgot to sort. Yeah. So I don't quite know what's going on there. Okay. Everything is fine. But I feel like this is needed. Do you fit I'm online? Oh, look at that. Sweet. Okay, oh, I need to run it on itself. Cool. This should probably go over the top. Blobbing, file garbage, formatting. That seems like a good place. Grab themes from where can I get themes from GitHub? Any VS Code theme should work. Combine license file into license files. Setup tools has started or impending deprecate. I type of that. Setup tools. Error? Actual error. This looks like setup tools has fucked something. Looks like setup tools has fucked something. We'll see. Seems fine to me. What else? Try that. Yep. Oh. Setup tools has broken something. How long ago did they release? 2 weeks ago. 67.8.0. So just that it's not idempotent? Not idempotent. Very strange. Knowing that it doesn't give an actual stack trace. This is the error. But it's always been like this. Nothing has changed here. But this will fix it. But it shouldn't matter. Weird. It's easy to fix though. It's very strange. Very strange. It's probably the pip change to build in tree, which is always a problem, but what are you gonna do? Could not parse theme. Oh no. Do you want to refund their points? Details? Okay. Yeah, validate next time. Is just okay for making build directory. Really shouldn't make a difference, but do I have auto merge on this repo? I do not. Damn. Okay, we just gotta babysit it. This is probably a change in pip, if I had to guess. Head out for dinner. Well, thank you for stopping by. Good to see you as always. I hope you're having a great evening and have fun with your friend. What the fuck is going on here, though? Some weird ass Windows shit, probably. Yeah. The warning is some other mess. We'll let that cook. Oh, this should be our first part of things. Oh, I'm out of beer. Snare Jobs, that's a name I haven't seen in a while. How are you doing? Have you been streaming recently? You used to stream. When's the last time you should stop by here? 2020, oh my god, it's been forever. How you doing? I'll give you a shout out in case you still stream. I haven't had time to watch streams in a while. Let's see. When's the last time you were live? It doesn't say. But hello. How you doing? How you been? Oh, what the fuck is this shit? Uncovered code on line 403. Oh. I see. That makes sense. If license files best combines, I guess it should just setify it, so it probably should just not even do this. And then we don't have a branch there. Yeah, smarter way to do this. Don't need special code when we can just use set. Chad's Lawyer, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Went dark for a long time. It's all good. Hope you're doing well. How's Babby been? It's working great. Got a bigger version number now. Actually, I think there's a newer version. I think there's 1.5.4 now. Look at that. Brand new Babby. Oh boy, we're about to get a theme change. We can just do this invariantly. Yeah, that simplifies the code a bit. There should be licenses. We can also just do it here as well. Yeah, that makes this all a lot simpler. Oh, because it's out of stock? Ah, shit. Right. Because it has a cooldown. Let me see if I remember how to do that. There's a way for me to fix this. Let's see. Viewer rewards channel points. Oops. Ah! I dropped my fidget spinner. Manage rewards. Change Babby theme. Edit. Where's the cooldown? Cooldown. Save. Now if I turn the cooldown back on. Alright, you should be able to redeem it now. In theory. Don't know. Oh, I'm in the wrong repo. Yeah, it's a lot simpler. It's a lot simpler. Alright, is the shell check stuff fast? Oh, I gotta remember how to make a fucking release for this thing. I think this is our version. I don't remember how this works. Has shell check not made a release in a while? Get up. 090. Okay, so the last number must be our version. You still can't? Damn. That's annoying. Maybe you have to refresh chat? I don't know. I don't know. I can hear. Well, I don't want to give it to you for free. I was just gonna redeem it, but then I was like, wait a minute. Oh, right. This has a weird versioning thing. Oh, hey, it worked. Hooray! Look at that. My version equals 2, so this I will change to 3. I can't do it. Can't do it with my auto scripts. It show 90 not 2. Name format equals. Oh, 90. Yay, logged in my password manager. Get vo.9.0.3. Git tag that. API. Okay, paste. And then I gotta remember to get the binary parts of this. Okay. Seems fine. And then we gotta do the other thing. Oh, it's annoying that this isn't a separate test. Uh, here. That test should be failing. Of course it is failing, but not in an easy to understand way. Oh, how does this work now? I used to have a script to download the wheels. Do I still have that? Hmm. Hmm. Did I not port that over? Hmm. Because I used to have script. Pull down the binaries. In this repo. If not. Ah! We gotta re-implement this script. I guess I can manually download them and then. Yeah, I'll manually download them for now, and we'll rewrite the script. Is the main build? Oh, did I not push the tag? No, we pushed the tag. This should be artifacts. Did I not implement the artifacts? Ah, no. Did I forget to do that? No, they're here. Is wheel tags not set to true there? It is. Where's my artifact? Oh, because it didn't run on the tag. Should have run on the tag. Why didn't it run on the tag? Run on tags. Why not? Why didn't it work? Yeah, it should have worked. GitHub. I cannot believe this is the first time I've run into this. Does it just not trigger if it's already run? Is that like a new shitty optimization they've done? I know I've released pre-commit since moving it over, so we can look at actions here. Oh my god. Yeah, it does not run on tags. I find that hard to believe. Maybe the null matcher doesn't work? Yeah, they have like a very specific filter here. Well, that's fucking annoying. Do you need to specify the text? Usually you don't. Usually by default it lists it includes all of them. Because if you just do branches with nothing, it should include everything. At least maybe that's how it worked in Azure Pipelines. Maybe it doesn't work this way. Do you run only tags or only branches, the workflow won't run for events affecting the undefined get ref. If you define neither, you define both. So maybe it has to be star? Annoying. Well, I'm gonna go fill my water. I will be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we're back. I decided it's Christmas again, so we're gonna have another beer. Should I have another beer? Probably not, but who cares? We're gonna try and play around with the tag trigger and see what I'm doing wrong. We'll just set up a separate repo and play around with it there. Should be good enough. Figure out what's going on. Then I'll have to fix all my repos. But that's what all repos is for. Hooray! Okay, I think I have a repo for this already. Yes, please ignore. It's gone! Okay. New repo. Yes, please ignore. Oh, remember on GitHub? Maybe you don't remember this. There was a very long time ago where repository names were unique across GitHub. Very long time ago. And they used to have this name generator, which would just like random adjective, noun, your repo name. And yeah, it was an interesting one. Okay. Runs on Ubuntu latest steps. Can I? Echo hi. The value cannot be null. Yeah, that's what's confusing me, because this one can be null, and I feel like this is just a weird validation thing. But it sounds like it's not actually working as intended. So we'll try this, see what it does. We push it. Oh, I cloned HTTP. Why did I clone HTTP? I don't know. Tag, get push version. Tags. Actions. I don't know why it ran twice. Trigger via push now. Is this gonna trigger a third one? I seem to remember there's some quirk with GitHub Actions, and the first time you create an action, it runs it twice. They have not said anything about that yet. Okay, so clearly that's not working. Let's set this to star. It feels like it's a YAML here. Yes, I don't have a YAML checker, so I will just use precommit to do it for me. Oh, I can probably do that in UI. That way it'll validate it for us, because I don't know if that can be just a string or if it has to be a list. Oh, it seems fine with that. All tags? Question mark? Alright, is that going to trigger? Oh, yeah, that is a tag there. So it's really annoying. John 91, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. But yeah, nailed it, Easy Light. You were right. So now we got to do a bunch of updates, which is really annoying. Really fucking annoying. But what are you gonna do? That. No. All right. Parse list here somewhere. Or classifier. If classifier. Interesting. Okay, there's probably some that I'd want to make sure aren't wrong. Or aren't mine, and I don't want to change them. Like, I probably don't want to change PyTests, because theirs are probably not wrong. Yeah, that one needs to get updated. Anything Ace Tilly is fine. That one needs to get updated. One does 2. Precommit should be fine. Yeah, that one has the right format. That has the right format as well. This one should be something I wrote. Okay. So grep-p pytest dev. New lighting setup? No, the lights are off today because it's really hot. So if anything, it's shitty light setup today. But yeah. So sorry about that, but oh, I do green. Just the corner, it doesn't matter. But part of that has my address on it. Haha. Okay. So we should be able to do all repos sed tags to tags star. Ooh, but we gotta make double quote, single quotes happen. /g. I run repos this head 3. Just see what 3 of them looks like. Oh, right. In GitHub. Star. Yeah. Okay. Commit message. Fix tags trigger for GitHub actions. The old syntax worked for Azure pipelines, but not GHA. Cool. And then remove this, and then remove the dry run. And it should do some yeetening. And then we'll have to make another release of shell check. Which is fine. Which is fine. This should generate a bunch of PRs. While that's going, we can work on this thing. I've opted into this spammy text message for so long. It's a like wine ordering service. And it's good, but I only order wine like once a year, so I don't really need it to send me 3 messages a week. Zetrius, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Hope your Thursday is swell. My classifiers. How does this work? If classifiers in this trim. Oh yeah, this is just has to be format list. Oh boy. Oh no. Why is there extra line here? Oh, because probably... Wolf, welcome to the stream. Oh god, the chatbot. The chatbot's so good. Look at this. What theme are you using? I'm actually surprised that it matched this. Maybe it probably just matched this part. But look at that. Look at that AI doing smart things. It's regular expressions. Yes, this is interesting. Where's the thing that actually changed? Yeah, I feel like that is not the way to do this. What is this function? Is this just the mega function? It's just the mega function. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Very cool. We can just make classifiers a set. Oh, we natural sort them. Oh, we can just use parse list. I did like the other version where we just built up classifiers as a list instead of doing this over and over. Where's the first time that classifiers is referenced? Like this one. Oops. This gets referenced a few times. So instead of doing this, we can do this. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that in the theme. The theme that part of the theme is a little bit weird. This should return a list. Military grade AI. How you doing, Pandoxer? Good to see you again. And then we can just do if classifiers here. Oh, did I get an error there? We don't need to do this. That. We don't need you anymore. Line's too long. Oh, stir or none. Lists stir. Why is it called imp? I don't know if the imp is here. It's really tox classifiers, right? Oh, it's implementations. Okay, no, it is correct. Yep. Okay. Line is too long. What if we just do this? But we use that variable name everywhere else. Bleh. Alright, let's see what the tests say to this. They're mad. Right. Because of that part. Is that gonna work? No. That is not gonna work. But this will work. Johnny1 says 5 minutes in the stream and I see how much I miss writing some lines of code at Babby. We probably could do something with Babby. Maybe. Maybe. Oh no. GitHub Actions failures in this repo. Error parsing. Oh fuck. Yep. Okay. Fair. You got me there. Yeah, that's a regex bug. Fuck yeah, let's go. Ensure new line at beginning of classifiers. Normal days, my job right now is just meetings. Yeah, I have quite a few meetings right now. I'm trying to. Well, actually, I've done pretty well at promoting one of my team members to be meetings person. I feel a little bad about it, but he seems to enjoy it, so it gives me more time to like do important shit. Not saying that the meetings aren't important because the meetings are how things actually get done, but it does feel good to actually spend more time doing implementation and functional stuff than having to fuck around in meetings. Although, yeah, some of the meetings that I'm in are important. Delete. They made this such a pain in the ass. They made this so much more of a pain in the ass. So many more clicks now. I don't know why they made it so much more a pain in the ass, but well, I do, but I don't, but I do. Don't. Ooh, no, we don't have auto merge here. I need to write a script that makes auto merge easier. I need to make my workflows generate a collector. Yeah. I wonder if a workflow can know its own job name. Built-in variables. Job. Can it know its own name? GitHub context set called. Wow, they've really ruined their SEO here. Job, surely job, right? Job. Fucking kidding me? Why is the name not in the job context? That's so stupid. GitHub Actions current job name. GitHub.job might get you the job name. The answer is clear on because job.name retrieves the workflow job name. Yeah, I feel like there's one other thing I wanted to do here. Which was... I don't remember. We already got rid of all these, right? Maximum Kane! Hello, how you doing? Until you look like it's the streamer Destiny without the blue hair and the facial hair. So I'm white? I'm a white guy? Isn't the Destiny like the weird streamer? Swinger? Not stringer. I don't like this guy at all. This guy? I mean, maybe if you subtract the facial hair, we're both white and have slightly large noses. I think his nose is larger than mine, though. Huh. He is part Cuban. Interesting. Anyway, I don't. No, I have not. That's a new one for me, Maximum Kane. I have not heard that one before. Okay, cool. So it's not that one. It's the join call that's new. Not that one. It's this one. Is this too long? No. This one is gonna be though. Fuck. Let me get rid of this. We're gonna have line too long in that one place. And to make it shorter, we would do that anyway. Sweet. Use amount list always. Use font always for requirements. Twan says, what are you making? That's a new one. I'm surprised the bot didn't match that one. We can make the bot smarter. Smarts. LMNO. Making. What are you making? Question mark. Fuck. Really? Hmm. What are you making? But that allows it to do more bullshit though. Your name is Anthony -2? It is! Hey Anthony. Dev RNDM, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Recursive Chat is here. How you doing? Good to see you again. Oh. Oh, we don't have to do this. We have a thing for this. Yes. Smarts making. What are you doing, working on making? Hooray! What is in this one? Oh, Pokemon, right? What are you making? Question mark. Oh, that's not good. I have not fixed the reconnect yet, so this just breaks the bot. All right, Tuan, try it again. Paste your original message in chat. And thank you for the follow. It's good to see you. Welcome to the stream. First chat says, been more comfy at work after a sort of rough month. Oh no. I know that feel. I feel like work is something right now. Hey, there we go. Let's go, baby. The bot has gotten smarter. Soon it will take over the world. Oh, that is not what I want to do. That's the opposite of what is good. Go away. Making, what are you? Making, what are you? Oh no, I've mixed up my Yoda voice with the boys out at the supermarket. Like my grandmother voice. I probably shouldn't be using my grandmother voice on stream. But the other day I went down to the supermarket and there was this very, very tall man. He helped me reach the top shelf, if you know what I mean. Anyway, okay. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. I should have a bunch of pull requests to merge from all of my GitHub Actions shenanigans. Oh, they've changed this page. It looks worse now. This is fine. There are no problems here. Oh, I did have an open source since last time. Yeah, we gotta fix that one because my regex was bad. I should have put a \b, but what are you gonna do? I do like that these are all green and I can just mash the button. Oh, maybe I should show you. Maybe I should show you my open source since last time before we make it harder to paginate into there. which is this one. I applied for paid because I have 100 users of Pigment CI Lite. So I applied for paid, and GitHub finally got back to me, and they were like, there's just errors, so we can't approve it. And this is the only error that I saw, was that this webhook was being rejected. They said that the financial webhooks were being rejected, but I saw no attempts at them, so I don't know how they came to that conclusion, so we'll figure that out. But I made this PR from my phone, and it seems to have fixed things, so that's good at least. I'm gonna zoom out so I can click the button easier. Oh boy, this is itty bitty tiny text. Oh, hello? We were too fast for GitHub. Do you ever have days at work where you just watch Netflix? Asks Neo-Socratic. We don't, are you just... Has the police entered the chat? We don't talk about those, Neo-Socratic. I don't have Netflix, so... Can't possibly be me. Hello? What are you? I feel like I have opened a different tab. I have not gotten to the one where I would like to start closing from. There we go. This is what I wanted to do. Okay, so we should have fewer pull requests now, but still these ones, and then I have to fix that one. Because I done goofed. I suspect we're not going to get to the Python 3.13 stuff today. But, good news for me. My partner has a friend date tomorrow, so we might be streaming again tomorrow. So, we'll work on it then. And then I gotta rebasify that other one. I gotta re-release shellcheck-py. And then we'll go about our merry way. Gotta really set up CFG format. It's gonna be a big auto up dog day next week. Oh boy. Alright, let's get this back to big for me again. Let's be this one. Cool. Yeah, same. Not sure what you're talking about. There is a there is a time when I was at Yelp when I had put in my 2 weeks notice, but I actually put it in like 5 weeks in advance because I'd worked there for 5 years, so I had a lot of shit to hand off, or at least I wanted to leave as much time to hand shit off as possible. Nobody really took me up on my offer to be like, hey, I'll show you how these things work. But anyway, during that period, I started bringing my, I guess back then it wasn't my 3DS. Wait, was it my 3DS? When did 3DS come out? When did the 3DS come out? I feel like it came out in like 20, yeah, okay. So I definitely had my 3DS, yeah. I started bringing my 3DS to work and software setting for shiny Pokemon while doing work. Admittedly, it's pretty easy. Like if you're just software setting, you can just play by ear. But I remember getting called into a meeting with the VP of engineering, the CTO, and like 5 managers and 1 other dev. And it was like this big debate about how something should actually work. And I was the subject matter expert, so I was in the right meeting, but I played Pokemon through the whole thing with 1 headphone in. But I did, you know, I told them the things that they needed to see. So yeah, and I just ran get status 5 times in a row. So clearly we're in a good state right now. Okay, so somewhere in here, should be in this one. There's the bad regex. Also, I feel like I haven't updated this in years, so I think I'm gonna archive it. Yeah, the last time was pre-commit CI stuff. So yeah, 2018. I stopped writing dates on them. Yeah, we're just gonna archive this. In the middle of in the meeting, yes, shiny. I did actually get a shiny at work. I got a shiny what is the fucking tweet. Fucking what is his name? Why can I not remember the name of this Pokemon? Shaman. It's stupid that I know its call. But not its fucking name. Shaman. Yeah, is that not what I just did? Anyway. Shaman. I got a shiny Shaman while I was at work. It was not in the middle of a meeting, but it might as well have been. Close enough. Okay, the YouTube video is a little bit distorted, so that's not my problem. What? 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 It's right there. Oh, did I spell it wrong? Oh, right. I gotta fucking find it in this goddamn unsorted list. Stupid ass thing. Alright, so I've learned to archive it first. First made this harder to copy and paste. Audio destroyed Anthony. I missed the part where that's my problem. Oh my god. I fucking love that so much. I love how I have three different toasty things here. I think the funniest part about this meme is, okay, Chad has said I look like this guy, and I think it's actually legit. This is a white guy that I kind of look like. This is one of my favorite videos of all time. We'll show it on stream. Fuck it, I'm not gonna get claimed for this, right? Surely. I missed the part where that's my problem. I never change. Anyway, I fucking love this video. So here you go. It has 4 million views. I feel like a couple thousand of them are me. And he's just not fucking there. I missed the part where that's my problem. Get religion. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I missed the part where that's my problem. I've got to be going. It's me. The last one is so good. Not this one, but the this one's good. My gift, my curse, my problem. Okay, anyway. I fucking love that video. What was I doing? I was archiving and transferring this repo. Oh, this is new. This is nice. I like this. Okay, they improved the transfer thing because I used to type with the thing. Tofu says hello. Heyo, Anthon. I see we're looking at your supposed doppelganger. It's true. It's true. Yeah, Tobey Maguire is one of the few that I feel like. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, chat. I kind of look like Tobey Maguire. I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. We can say okay on that one. All right. So now that all this is fixed, I can do two things, which is we can release this thing. PyPI. Oh, we can start. PyPI token. Why, whenever I look over at my beer, it's always gone? That's not what should happen, right? Do I not? I could have sworn I cloned shellcheck-py here. I guess not. Didn't PyPI enforce two-factor? They did, but they also have API tokens, and API tokens don't need two-factor. They did such a fucking annoying thing. I'm so mad about this. They're like, yeah, you can't upload packages using your password anymore, but you can do it with API tokens. Because API tokens are suddenly more secure than a username and password. Which, if you think about it, a username and a password are two things you need to know, but an API token is just one. They're probably about equivalent from a security perspective, but it seems hypocritical to be like, yeah, two-factor for everything. Except the most important thing, you can just get by with an API token. Yep, everything's okay with that. But what do I know? Get show 0903. Name only format equals. Oop. Oh, sorry, bud. Didn't see you there. Oh, this is not right. I should just upload the TGZ because I cannot upload this. This time it should trigger the tag. They're roughly equivalent, but also people don't get to choose their tokens. That's true. That's true, but I also don't choose my password. Because, because I generate my password. This thing released, right? I ran this. Ooh, three minutes ago. Okay, cool. Sick. Dope. Max just give up on this? Yeah. Huh. Deadshot lol X, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. We're gonna need to do that. We need to upload the wheels for this. Oh, I bet the Linux wheels aren't built. We gotta do that. What did we upload before? We uploaded Windows, Mini Linux, and Mac OS. But Intel, Mac OS only. So we gotta build the Mini Linux wheel. Not gonna run. TI, dist. What is the Mini Linux image? Mini Linux GitHub. Oh boy. Boy. Where's the fucking. Here we go. 228. Well, we'll use the 2014. Damn, that's a chunky boy. I'm glad Key.io improved their downloads because it used to be slow as shit to download for them. What are we doing? CP. Python CP3 8. Pip wheel shell check. Quick audit wheel repair. R.will. Whoa! It expanded it when I pressed tab. -w dist? Is that how this works? Hooray! Guide token again. Hello? Oh, I did the wrong thing. Cool. Guys, that's Linux ones. Let's get the other ones. From here. Wait. But why? Oh no. No, why? Why did it run it as PowerShell? God damn it. Okay, I gotta fix that. But I also have to use the restroom, so I'll be right back. And I will see you in a sec. I'm back. Standard Robot has resubbed at 5 months. We're gonna replay it because I didn't get to see it. Welcome back. Fuck it, we write. It's true. It's true. I hope you're doing well. And we got some PowerShell shit to fix, apparently. I wonder if I've already fixed this and I just didn't upload this yet or upgrade this. How's it going? It's going pretty well. Although apparently I have a mistake here. Damn. I just forgot to put shell bash here. Son of a bitch. God damn it. Okay, well. Damn. It's going well. It's going well. I've had a couple beers. A couple being two. That's how that works. And then I'm gonna make another release. Ah! My partner Tinos just sent me a message that says, my parents commented on my muscles. They usually say I look too skinny and need to eat more. But my mom was like, did you go to the gym with Anthony? Okay, anyway, this should fix this. Wheeling needs bash. Use bash to yield wheels. But to her mom's credit, we have been going climbing a lot, and so there have been some muscles going on, but yeah. It is a stereotype that I've heard before of Asian parents being like, "You're too skinny, you need to eat more." But it is funny. The have you been going to the gym with Anthony? Yeah, I need to figure out how to make a collector for this, because I feel like that would make the required checks a lot easier. But don't quite know how to do that. I mean, I do, but I don't. So I'll putz around with that. Although job. Wait, job isn't gonna be right. How's it gonna work for Fufu says, everyone tells me the same thing, I need to eat more, and I was just fine. That's just how I am, right? I need to eat less, but I feel you. I totally understand. Ah, fucking Windows, you take forever. I'm like, I gotta release this. I don't remember how to release this thing. Apparently I update all of these things, I guess. Damn, Windows, you slow for a fucking no-op. What is it doing? Fast checkout has taken 1:25. Huh. Seems problematic. What did you take so long for? Unclear. There's something fucked with the Windows runners. I don't know what it is, but they're just really slow for like no goddamn reason. But what are you gonna do? Not my code, not my problem. Alright, sweet. So we can merge this, and then I gotta pull again. Gotta make another release. God damn it. That's fine. It's technically a bug fix, I guess. Oh. Wait, did that one? Oh. I guess I just forgot this at the end. For two. For two. 142. Alright. How's the lay project coming along? I assume you're talking about my game. Or are you talking about this one? Because we're a bit distracted right now. 142. Either one? We finished the setup-cfg format stuff. We are now fixing shellcheck-py wheels. And I have not worked on... Oh, wait, I do have one update. On the Ken project. So before we were having problems with this one. What? Oh, because I probably haven't checked it in. Yeah. Okay, we were having problems with this loop here. With TypeScript being like, what the fuck node list of? Yeah, I know it's cut off, but don't worry about it. Node list of is not iterable. And it turns out the fix is that apparently you need to add this dom.iterable library. Otherwise, dom is not iterable. Real fucking dumb. I don't know why they did this. Seems real stupid. They should just include this by default if you include dom. But, it's TypeScript, who fucking knows? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Upgrade workflows to get wheels fixed. Oh, I should do that for any of them that I have that use Windows, so I don't run into the same problem again in the future. I think we have all repos for that. Repos grab utility workflows. Output pass grep. Acorn, thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. How you doing today? Been a bit. I feel like I've seen your stream before. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. Larudas, thank you. Larudas, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh, you have a fancy partner badge. I feel like you didn't have that last time I saw you. But welcome, welcome. How are you doing? My name is Anthony. I usually work on open source Python. I maintain a few things that you might have heard of, such as PyTest Talks, Flake8, Precommit, PyFlakes, Dead Snakes, PyUpgrade, and many, many more. Today we are working on a few things. We added a little feature to a library I wrote called, or a tool I wrote called setup-cfg-format, which formats your setup tools metadata. Then I tried to release this library and realized there's a bit of a bug. And so we are trying to fix the bug there. And then fix it. Oh my god, why do I have so many things? Oh, I want dash little l, not dash capital L. Then I gotta figure out all these other ones that have the same problem. Oh, and I guess it's only these ones. Okay, so there's actually not that many. Act Storm, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. How was your stream, Acorn? What were you working on? What were you doing? What were you up to? How were things? How did it go? What were you doing? What were you up to? What do you mean? Oh, I copied the wrong branch? Where did the thing go? This one. That one. Wilfred, you're just here for the talk meet. Do you want me to switch shirts, Wilfred? I could do that for you. Ethan! Hello, hello! It has been a minute. I hope you're doing well. What have you been up to? I hope you're sitting tight. You're having a good time. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again at 43 months of subdom. Not many have that many. I feel like it's just you and Sarcastic Dante at this point. But yeah, hope you're doing well. I got an argument with your favorite person at work today. Acorn says, stream went well. We're working on the book translation side project. Ooh, what does that mean? Tell me more about that. Ethan says, oh boy. Yeah, it was it was not the best. It was what it was though. Do I have a tool for this? Use AI to translate books from any language to any other language. Oh, that's kind of nifty. That's kind of nifty. Did I write a script for this? All repos, autofix. We have an Azure Pipelines auto update, but we don't have a GitHub Actions auto update. Oh, maybe we do. Maybe we do? Doesn't look like it. Autofix. Damn. Damn. We have one, but not the good one. Trying to improve the translation quality? Ah. Ethan says, I'm doing well. Started teaching myself machine learning stuff. Really fine-tuning a language model. Oh, interesting. Void Rose is also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? So it sounds like you and Acorn are doing similar things. How are you improving translation quality, Acorn? I don't even know what that means. Like what can you possibly do to make that work better? This seems like a lot of work. We're gonna leave myself an issue. Port Azure Pipelines auto update to GitHub Action. Now that I don't use AP, might be a good idea to port this to GHA. Yeah, sure, someone else can help me with this. This song loops, we're skipping it. Oh, Acorn's using the blocked term bot. That's funny. Prompt engineering, scoring the translations, and training an LLM model. Oh, so you have a model for the model. Got it. Cool. Upgrade workflow. Yeah. Okay. Let me make yet another release here. Cozy White Bear. Hello, hello. That's a cute emo. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. Make yet another fucking release here. That's fine. Version numbers are free. That's what I always say. Who gives a shit if you bump the version number yet again? Five. Surely this time it will work. Surely this time it will work. Oh, why this pull request that I need to good code change like a ghost? It looks fine, but I need to check it out. Really collecting data to tune language models to automatically generate changelog entries, since who wants to write those? True? Man, fuck changelogs. Wolfred just says, Anthony. Do you want me to go get a button-down shirt for you, Wolfred? We can do that. I can do that for you. Tina's gonna be real confused when she gets home and I'm wearing something different. But I'll be right back. I'll go get you a nice shirt. I'm not sure why I'm bothering to button it up, but I'm back. Wolfred says, for fuck's sake. Is it gonna have buttons? It does have buttons. It does have buttons. Because the White Bear has the best changelog fix stuff, yeah. I feel like that's it works every time. Wolfred, thank you for the 5 gift subs. Welcome to Subdom. Melky got a sub here. Jamon, Dignan, Adjective Allison, and Metalstorm. Welcome to Subdom. Hope you're doing well. There you go, Wolfred. Laser Streams, welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Alright, let's do this. That's W dists. Oh yeah, that's gonna ding at me for a while. Ethan's been following for 4 years and 9 months. God damn. Wolfred says, I want the last one back, not Milky, not the stash. Yeah, I feel like Milky's mustache is not a good look. My Switch game seems stuck. No, I think it's doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. It's just trying to catch this Quagsire over and over and over. That's the goal. It'll be shiny eventually. Gorn says, hello, Mr. Streamer. Welcome, welcome. Wow, almost 9 months of follow-ups. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so this 2/5. Surely this time it will work. That's the copium that we need today. It works on my machine. Oh, toggle. All right. Oh, fuck. Wait. No. Stop. Ah. Almost knocked over the camera. We were good. Hopefully the mic moves. Is that the goal of standing desk here? Here, we'll get. Probably owe you another button. There we go. Is this what you wanted, Wolfred? Is that what you want? 8 months moves fast? Yeah, true. It's crazy to me to think like I've been at my job for over a year now. But that's the way things go, I guess. Stan Robot says I have 800 points now. Well, we'll have to get a gamble for something. So much lost to a silly goof, yeah. Wolford says I'm surprised you're still there. At Sentry? I mean, I don't know. What else would I do? Although oddly enough, a job opened up in Ann Arbor for a role that is almost exactly what I do. was like one of the few times that a recruiter messaged me and I was like, Ann Arbor? Really? And then I looked at the job rec and I was like, did they make this just for me? Because it seems oddly targeted. Like, I don't... I mean, free advertisement, but I feel like Waymo doesn't have an office in Ann Arbor, right? Am I wrong? Oh, they do have an Ann Arbor office. Okay. Alright, maybe they didn't just make this free. But I didn't think they had an engineering office in Ann Arbor. Oh, wait. What? I don't fucking know. It's Glassdoor. Who fucking knows? Do they offer a way more than what you're making right now? Probably not. But yeah, it was weird. They made a job rec that was like dev infrastructure, Ann Arbor, staff software engineer. I was like, what? What are they? What is going on here? What have they done here? This feels targeted, but it was not, surprisingly. Okay, is this the download link? 404. Nope. So annoying. What drive is that on? Oops, excuse me. Sorry. E. There we go. Okay. Well. All right. We finally put this back in a good spot. But we got a few things we gotta do. Self-driving cars? Yeah. Oh, it's Google. Wait, Google owns Waymo? Is that true? We can look this up. Stream wiki Waymo. Waymo LLC, formerly known as Google Self-Driving Car Project. Are they owned by Google? Oh, they are owned by Google. Oh. Oh, okay, yeah, it makes sense then. Makes sense then. About says my favorite part of LinkedIn is seeing how my profile, that of a junior dev, apparently matches staff level software engineering roles. Yeah, well, I mean, LinkedIn's matching thing is kind of messed up. Google tried to snag you under the radar? Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to work at Google. No offense to anyone who works there, but I do not want to. Okay. What I want? Yeah. Manual commit message upgrade GitHub workflows repos this. Yeah, got it. Because I have to upgrade these if I want to make another release of those repos. We'll do these real quickly. I'm not convinced that self-driving cars will ever get there. Yeah, given what I've seen with even like the not self-driving cars, but even like driver assisting cars and like the amount of problems with those. Yeah, I don't know that self-driving will ever get there, especially because there's weather. Unless everyone else has one, I don't see it. Too many morons on the road. I feel like they need some sort of like train system for cars for it to actually work. Which I also don't see that ever happening, so yeah. Fat chance. It's going to get me a comma, but I'll pass. Oh, the like redacted man's company. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend that either. Lip Lounge says, I think people should just ride bicycles. There we go. Yeah, we should make e-bikes more legal. So I found oh, I guess I should show you some pictures. I'll show you some pictures from my weekend trip. I can't show that picture. So I don't want to show this one first. How do I show one that's not so wacky first? Here, this one's probably fine. My partner and I went to Mackinac Island in Michigan. This is us on the ferry there, in the Mackinac Bridge in the background. Here is a extremely goofy photo of us as the boat passed under the bridge. The day we went there was absolutely fucking beautiful. Look at how nice this looks. Look at how amazing this looks. It was an absolutely fucking beautiful day. On Mackinac. Here's a goofy picture of us at the somewhat famous Arch Rock on Mackinac. Okay, that's updated photo. That's from Cedar Point. These are goofy photos I can't show. Oh, and this is unrelated to our trip, but we made bubble tea last night. This is me spooning some bubbles for our bubble tea. But anyway, yeah. This was Mackinac trip, so that was this weekend. But a fun fact that Lip Lounge reminded me of is in the state of Michigan, e-bikes are considered motor vehicles. And since Mackinac Island bans motor vehicles, they are technically not allowed on Mackinac Island. We saw a bunch of e-bikes there, but they are technically banned, which is just fucking wild to me. That yeah, that e-bikes would be banned. But Wilfred says, I've not been to Cedar Point in a decade. I miss it. I heard they got rid of the dragster. I also had not been there in like 15 years. I guess we can show some Cedar Point photos too. It was fucking cold. It was so cold when we went. But here's a Cedar Point photo. Here's one with a roller coaster in the background. But oh yeah, and we gotta get at least one goofy photo. Here's goofy photo as well. But yeah. Anyway, we went to Cedar Point as well. We also went to a Blink-182 concert. Here's a Blink-182 concert photo. Hooray! But anyway, photos of vacation. But yeah, e-bikes are apparently banned on Mackinac, which is wild to me. I find it very annoying. Oh, these are gonna take forever to build because window take. Oh, this one's done. That's because it's my little C++ thing. That of course it's done already. That's gonna take forever. This one shouldn't take forever, but it is for some reason. Okay, what else was I going to do? We released setup-cfg-fmt, we released shellcheck-py. Oh, I wanted to rewrite this script. I'm just gonna leave an issue. Because I don't want to do it right now. Shit, where did I make the other issue? Oh, and I'll repose. Add script to download. Wheel artifacts. Oops. No. Basically, rewrite this for GHA. Long loops as well. Cool. You mix let assholes show their true colors, no pun intended. Yeah. So I have another funny story about e-bikes. I used to bike to work. When I worked at both Yelp and Lyft. This is specifically when I worked at Yelp. And I didn't have to bike to work. I mostly biked to work to force myself to do more exercise every day. So I would bike, it's like 5-ish miles. Let's see. I don't actually remember. It's been so long. San Mateo, CA2, Millbrae, Caltrain. Hopefully Google knows what I mean. Yeah, there we go. And I would take like a very warbly route to do this. Okay, so it was more like 6 or 7 miles because I would weave around as basically to maximize mileage through here and to avoid cars as much as possible. But anyway, I would get on the train and then I would get off at see, SF Caltrain to, what was the 140 New Montgomery? This is the Yelp office. Hello? Clearly not this. FM Caltrain. Yeah, there we go. But I bike from here to there. And this isn't, I guess, not the most safe street, but this is how I get there. Every day I bike this route, and every day I was really annoyed because this other person that got off at Caltrain would be slightly faster than me to get to the Yelp office, like ever so slightly faster. And then I would trade and push. I would bike 100, 200 miles a week, and eventually I was faster than this guy. And that was when I realized that he was riding an e-bike the whole time. And so I was fighting an e-bike to drive faster down 3rd Street. And by the end, I was going like 25 or 30 miles an hour just to be fucking faster than the e-bike. But yeah, he had a very, very subtle e-bike. It was one of the ones where the battery is inside the frame. Legs were swole. Listen, I don't know how I can show this here, but yeah, I got leggies. I got leggies. But yeah, I've got some tree trunks. Stand on the chair. I mean, is this not doing it for you? Are you not seeing the leg meat? But yeah, that was before I knew e-bikes were really a thing. But then I looked up the bike model and I was like, oh, there's a motor. There's a motor in that. That's why this man's is now just barely keeping up with me. But yeah, that's my e-bike story. E-bikes are great though. I don't think I would get one myself, but I would recommend it to anyone who is considering alternative forms of transport and not necessarily wanting to commit to having massive legs or a tired butt. Yeah, e-bikes are good. Oh, okay. Anyway, this stream has been kind of exhausting. Do I have anything in progress? Did I do the things? I did one of the things I wanted to do. Imagine the disdain I would have confronted him like, you cheater. Well, I mean, at the other part, like, or on the other side of this, like, they were taking an alternative form of transport to work and they were not driving a car. And that seems fine to me. Oh, I have to review this PR. Okay. We're gonna review this PR. We're not done yet. Oh fuck. I always forget about this, and then when it shows up, I'm like, hey. Yeah, I'll click the mine butt coin button. I wish I had permissions to just change this repo to the not mine but coin button. But while this is running, I don't think it's gonna fail a test, so I'm just gonna review it as it is. But all right, we're just gonna ignore that then. Clifford says, so I actually will never go back into an office. I will never miss going to work. I mean, you could sleep through work. I've done that a few times. But yeah, no, I feel you there. Oh boy. I click these so that I can actually see what's going on here. Okay, decent test. There are two lines, and line 0 is that, and line 1 is that. Yeah, we fixed that. Then we do this. I really doubt this line is covered. Fucking A. Yeah, I really doubt this line is covered. God damn it. I was so ready to rebase and merge their PR. Wait, really? Okay, well, time to good change. I don't know if I actually have permission to get to good code change. Good code change like a ghost. Their PR. Help. Levels. Remote add this guy. Who's that guy? It's a user account, so I hate when people push from their main branch because it makes it so much more of a pain in the ass to fix. Oh, why is there both master and main? Interesting. Yeah, get push. Hooray! It worked. Whip virtual PyPy support 6 years ago. I suspect that we don't need this anymore. Josh Zep, did they work at Lyft or Yelp? Maybe they did. They must have worked at Yelp because their branch existed on main. Do I need to click the mine Bitcoin button? No, I don't, because I did this. This seems fine. Wilfred says I've never been on Yelp. I mean, it tends to have better review quality than Google Maps, but honestly, at this point, I don't know that it's worth it. I'm gonna ask my friend to do this. I never look at reviews, I just wing it. Unless it's like a hotel. Yeah, but I feel like I feel like every hotel has a bad review. One way or another. Like someone's gonna have problems with that one way or another. But like Apple's only for food? No, they got reviews for everything. I find that their best reviews are for services and not for food. Like I've told this story. I don't know if I've told this story on stream before, but one time, one Yelp hackathon, someone wrote a script to find the ideal to find how do I phrase this? So someone had a hypothesis that the best Asian food restaurants were 3.5 stars on Yelp. And their thought behind this was, if the restaurant has good food, it tends to have worse service. And white people tend to rate it poorly. And so their hackathon project was literally just to find Asian restaurants that were 3.5 stars. So that's like the sweet spot there. But I personally find that Yelp's reviews are really good for like services, things like my sprinklers are getting turned on maybe tomorrow, but I don't remember the date because I didn't write down my appointment. Or like I needed a furnace repair person, and I felt like the Yelp reviews were really accurate for that. But yeah, it has stuff for everything. It used to be somewhat okay internationally, but then Yelp was like, haha, we don't need an international team, and unceremoniously axed all of the remote CMs and scaled back the internal internationalization team. So I don't really know, but I don't know. I haven't worked at Yelp in fucking 6 years now, so what do I know? Okay, anyway, that wraps that up. That is done. This finally got released. Only took me 4 attempts at it, but we got there in the end. So I think that's probably gonna wrap us up for today. I'm gonna go play some Pokemon. Lip Lounge says got chopsticks instead of a fork, 3.5 stars. I think it's so funny. This is a long time ago. But I went to a sushi restaurant with my Asian girlfriend at the time, and without asking, I received a fork, she received chopsticks, I received water, and she received tea. And I'm like, what the fuck? I want tea and chopsticks. And they're like, oh, sorry. We just assumed. But anyway, that's gonna wrap us up for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel currently once a week. We might maybe at some point resume more videos, but check that out at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you missed any part of the stream, the VODs go up on the second channel, which is anthonywritescode-vods. Instant Hex, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. They no longer go up on Twitch due to DMCA shenanigans, but you can subscribe to this channel, and that's where VODs will show up if you miss part of the stream. Oh, did I click record? Oh, I did click record. Good job, me. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I announce what I'm going to work on, and then we do it. Or hot takes about Python and people dropping my mentions and whatever, blah, blah, blah. I also announce on the Discord, which you are free to join and hang out with us. It's got a bunch of fun social channels, as well as a beginner's channel if you want to ask programming questions. There are a bunch of smart people can answer those there. I will probably maybe be streaming tomorrow because Tina's got stuff to do, and fuck it, I'll click go live and we'll work on Python 3.13. No promises though, but that's the plan. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.